Alright guys, this is 9.2. We're looking at ordered pairs. So we're going to have a ordered pair and we're going to plot that point on our grid. So we're going to identify the location of a point. Now what I want you to remember is that we're going to count over and then up. And this will make sense in a minute, I promise. But for right now, just keep that in mind. Over, then up. Over, then up. Over, then up. My little guy here says, walk over to the stairs before going up the stairs. I don't know about you, but I am not Superwoman, nor am I Superman. I cannot just fly in the air and get upstairs. I have to walk over to where my stairs are before I'm able to climb up the stairs. And that's the same thing for my ordered pairs. I have to walk over and then up. So an ordered pair is set up in a set of parentheses like this. That's an ordered pair. It'll have two numbers. It'll have parentheses, and then a number, and then a comma, and then another number, and then a parentheses. So my first number is represented as my x-axis, which is my horizontal axis. It goes left to right. And then my second number in my ordered pair is going to be my y-axis, or my vertical axis, how many up or down. So if I have the ordered pair 2, 4, then on my little coordinate grid here that I just made, I'm going to go over 2, because that's my first number, so I'm going to start at my 0, my axis right here at the end. I'm going to count over 2, 1, 2, and then I'm going to go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And at that location, I'm going to make a dot. And that dot is representing my ordered pair, my 2, 4. Because it's 2 over and 4 up. So, we're going to look at this coordinated grid, and we're going to identify the ordered pairs for both my arena and my aquarium. So for my arena, they give us our example there, and they say that we're going to go over along the x-axis, and we're going to see how many until we get to that point. And the count over, it's 1. And starting from 0, 0, if we start from 0, we go over 1, 2, 3. And we can see that that arena is right above the number 3. So that means the first number in my ordered pair is a 3 for the arena. As I've said before, we have to go over before we go up. So now that we've gone over and we've represented that first number, we're going to walk up the stairs to our y-axis to where that arena point is to identify the second number in my ordered pair. One, 2. So my y-axis is represented by 2. I had to go up 2 and over 3. And you have to have it in that specific order. If you wrote it as an ordered pair of 2, 3, it would put you in a completely different location. And for math purposes, you would really get lost. Let's see if we can identify the coordinates or ordered pair of our aquarium. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over first, right? We're going to start at our 0, 0, down in our bottom left-hand corner, and we're going to count over until we get below where our aquarium is. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now because this has a 1, it goes up by 1, we could just find it and go straight down as well. 9. So it's 9 over. So the first number in my ordered pair is a 9. Now that I'm at my stairs, I can go up and count how many I have up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, because we're going up by 1s on my y-axis, I can touch my dot and go over and see where the dot hits on my y-axis, which again is 4. Notice that I have parentheses around my ordered pair. That's what makes it an ordered pair. You have to have those parentheses. Please don't forget about them. So to give yourself some more practice, what I'd like to see you do is create a little graph like this. It doesn't have to have all the little grid marks in the middle, but I'd like you to create a graph like this, and I want you to plot these 4 points, A, B, C, and D, going over and then up, and then I want you to put a dot and then put the letter, just like they did there as the example for 5 over 7 up, and they put a letter J. I want you to do the same thing with A, B, C, and D. When you're done, I'd like you to check yourself with what I have on my coordinate plane and see if yours resembles the same thing. Please don't forget to mark yourself on a scale of 1 to 4 on your comfortability and your progression of our learning scale. So there you guys go. There are my points, my A, my B, my C, and my D. Hopefully yours resembles that, but we will be doing some more practice with this tomorrow, so if you need any help, please come with any and all questions, and I'll be more than happy to help you. See you guys soon.